Ready to turn your Django website into a profit-generating machine by easily accepting online payments? Let's dive in. First, create a new Django project or navigate to your existing one, ensuring you have a virtual environment activated for managing dependencies now. Install the necessary packages for your chosen payment gateway. For Stripe, that's pip install Stripe. For PayPal, you might use a library like Django PayPal. Next, head to the Stripe or PayPal developer dashboard and create an account or log in. Obtain your API keys, typically a publishable key and a secret key. These are essential for authenticating your application with the payment gateway. Keep them safe and secure. Open your settings file, add your payment gateway keys, environment variables, or directly into the file. Though environment variables are recommended for security, configure the necessary settings, like your currency and webhook endpoints, according to the documentation of your chosen payment gateway. Create a Django form to collect customer payment details, such as credit card information or PayPal account details. Be sure to use secure input fields and client-side validation to ensure data integrity and prevent errors. Never store sensitive payment information directly on your server. Now, develop a Django view to process the payment. Use the payment gateway's API to create a charge or initiate a payment transaction. Handle successful payments by updating your database, sending confirmation emails, and redirecting the user to a success page. Also, gracefully handle errors and provide informative feedback to the user. Implement webhook handling to receive real-time updates from the payment gateway about payment status, refunds, and disputes. This ensures your system is always synchronized with the actual transaction state. Remember to thoroughly test your integration in a sandbox environment before going live to avoid any unexpected issues. And that's it. You've successfully integrated a payment gateway into your Django website. Be sure to consult the official documentation for Stripe, PayPal, or your chosen provider for detailed information and advanced configurations. Now, go out there and start collecting payments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Django development tutorials.